GDP number, 8.2, highest in 6 quarters, and yet the market refuses to sort of move up. What do you think is troubling equities?
Actually, Shrinder, so the 8.2, it was a surprising number. It surprised all the economists, but I think they underestimated the stocking that happened pre the GST rationalization. I think that is what drove those numbers up, because there was a lot of inventory push happening in the market. So maybe that was what I think the market saw through, probably. But having said that, I don't know why the markets are, I mean, we are also very flummoxed, because if you look at the quarterly numbers, which the market should be tracking on a regular basis, I mean, economics is something that we leave it to the economists. Normally we track the actual, earnings and stuff like that. We were quite excited by what we saw in the quarter. So if you break up the earnings market cap wise, the large caps, I'm talking about the September quarter now, the market cap or the large cap guys saw 10%, which is 100 stocks. The 150 after that, which is the mid cap group, saw 25% earnings growth. And the last of the slot, which is 250 small caps, they saw 37% growth. Albeit it was on a base of on a very low base of September last year. But the fact is that these are exciting numbers. I don't think anybody had built those in, and there was an upgrade happening. So frankly, I think its overhang is mainly because of the skepticism that we normally suffer from. We talk about geopolitical tensions, we talk about tariff rates and stuff like that, which obviously will get sorted out in the long run, right? But for the moment, I think everybody is very skeptical on the retail front. So.
Okay. These are cycles in life as in markets. We hope to sort of ride them through with hopes that earnings will improve from here on, and perhaps the rupee will now start appreciating versus the dollar. Let's look at the second anniversary of the
I don't have any doubts. Any doubts that the earnings will grow from these levels. In fact, internally, we are looking at the December quarter being a mid-teens kind of growth quarter in terms of earnings. And March will always be a very strong quarter. And by the way, we've got 3 very low bases to show earnings growth from. And as I said, the easing on the fiscal and the monetary front that has been undertaken by the government and RBI in tandem, I think that will go a long way in easing the demand and stuff like that.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.